I know, they've got a big Christmas tree over there. We might go there later. Paris. Wow. I should take a photo of you here, Dalia. Nice. Show me your outfit. Gucci, you belong there. Oh, my bag is Gucci. We belong there.
We belong.
Oh, Gucci mo, negating. Gucci gang.
Belong to mask.
I belong to. I belong. $1,000 Australian dollars niya ako mask. Hi, Anna. Bagong gising. Shush, marang mag-albularya na. Marang mag-albularya na. She knows it's DD time. Someone's in the train. Where are you going, Missy?
Tehran.
Where?
Tehran.
Tehran. Ayan, guys.
So
Good
guys,
morning.
actually, I'm raining a lot.
Now arriving at Burnley, change here for Belgrave, Lilydale and DAMING services.
And ating Danimark and nandun. May check siya. We are on our way to the city. Huh? Missed it? Okay. So where we're going now? We'll just go straight? Okay, we'll just keep going? Okay, we'll just keep going then.
I think we're going out now.
Not yet, honey. You gonna move there? Wow. City na kami, guys. Oh my goodness. Seriously, grabe. Ang daming tao. Oh, ibang-iba sa last time na nandito kami. Parang kami lang. Ngayon, sobrang daming tao. Alam niyo, guys, kasi may protesta daw na nangyayari ngayon sa syudad. Kayayaan. Wow, grabe. Tingnan niyo, oh. Parang mga ano. Amigas. You're right, honey? Paris, you okay? We're gonna use the lift. Wow, grabe. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel.
Why?
Where are we, Anna?
City.
In the city. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Hi. So, alam niyo ba, sa last time nandito kami, sobrang quiet. Ngayon, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, sobrang daming tao. So, pupunta kami ngayon doon sa, pupunta kami doon ngayon sa Filipina restaurant sa Melbourne Central. Kasi nga, diba, birthday ko last week, tapos wala kaming ginawa talaga para celebration with my friends. So, I'm going to see my best friend, Ron. We're gonna have some brunch na ngayon kasi late na eh. Dapat sana brunch. But, yes, we're gonna go there. I don't know if someone else is coming. Kami lang ata siguro. Pinagising lang ating baby girl. But, yeah, sobrang daming tao. Like, seriously, I don't know if I can. I've got a pram, of course, kasi ito ang ating baby singing. Pero tingnan nyo, guys. Meron daw kasing protesta, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Paano na ngayon? Oh. Sobrang daming tao, my lord. Sobrang hirap maglakad ng ganito, guys. Lalo na kasi may pram. Ang ating baby girl ay tulog pa. Hintay ko lang ito na magising kasi kailangan na dito siyang padidiin. Gising-gising na ata konti. Ayan. So, alis na tayo, guys. Take you with me. See? Daming pulis din kasi baka may mga buang-buang. Cyrus, wait na. I know, they've got a big Christmas tree over there. We might go there later. Oh, goodness.
I reckon we're going to have this machine. What, the protests?
Yeah, let's do that. Paris. Wow. I should take a photo of you here, Dalia. Nice. Someone's awake. Hello, nanak. Ay, shush! Gutom na to siya ba? Gutom na to siya ba? Tito Ron and Tito Gab's waiting there now. So, we'll have to keep going. Doon ko na lang to siya papagdidiin, guys. Okay pa naman siya sa kanyang pacifier. Hindi pa naman talaga siya umiiyak. Ay, kapagod eh. Wala kasing train na walang city loop ba? Kasi may protesta. Kaya yun, kailangan namin maglakad from Flinders Station to Melbourne Central. Daddy's office. Paris. Ang buhok. Kalkag na tayo, mahangin kasi sa labas. Siling, siling. Siling, siling. Dede, Nelly de. Tired na, anak? His daddy is building. Wow. Not long now. It won't be his building anymore. Ayan. Diyan tatrabaho ang daddy Mike. Okay, so Tito Ron, Tito Gab.
Yes.
I will cross here now, Bob. Quick, 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 quick. Quick, 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 quick. Cross here now, they'll be there. That's right. Dito ang aming meet-up place. Oh, see. Yan na, palayas.
We look at this as best of
Ang bayong. Kita nasad mo.
Di ba lang tayo? Napakalaw.
Tita Gab. Hi.
Oh,
chubby cheese. Cute.
With all the chicks in the world.
Celine.
Look at you. She's hungry now too. Maybe it's like, alright, the place is there. I think I'm gonna make it. Come on yung pala. Urot ng tiil.
Well, yeah. Like, we wouldn't be using so much energy. I'll get later hungry. Who's
You're getting forks and stuff. That's where you went. Yeah, I haven't been eating meat at all. It's really weird. But then I've just got this and didn't even think about buying it. So,
I found it pretty easy.
Yeah.
The only thing I found hard was sort of, again, everyone else.
yeah.
And then I was like always having to do two.
Well, we just do our own thing now. He cooks what he wants, I cook what I want. And which is better because he likes to cook everything. He lots of salt and sauce and shit all over it. But yeah, I just like plain veggies. I mash it all together.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Honestly, it's good.
Yeah, I know. There's no music here, guys.
YouTube friendly.
Kaya ano kami, pwede kaming mag-vlog dito kasi walang music. Gusto niyo Gucci? Gucci pa more? Sige, I'll give you Gucci. There's Dior there. Gabi kanina na tinaw, kung wala ilang tindahan nga kon ba, nagit. Nara sa gawas. Where's Gab?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Di ko sila pa kay ko.
Huh? Dressy. Ay, Dressy Gab. Yeah, I know. Okay, we can stand here. We'll wait for Gab. Show me your outfit. Gucci, you belong there. Oh, my bag is Gucci. We belong there.
We belong.
Oh, Gucci mo, negating. Gucci gang. Show my outfit to be. Show my outfit to be.
Gucci gang.
Gucci gang.
Yung ako sa mask.
I belong to. $1,000 Australian dollars niya akong mask. Yun ay, sa bandang gabi ka na. Tingnan nyo guys, ang magpuprotesta. Grabe! Sobrang daming tao every time. It will be on this side. Wow, goodness gracious. Grabe. Time check tayo guys. It's 2:20 in the afternoon. Kakaalis lang ng ating bestie. So, pumunta kami ng Zara. After naming mag-lunch, may binili lang sila. And then, they have to leave kasi may kailangan silang gawin. So now, I'm on my way to see Daddy Mike and Baby Paris. Pumunta sila dito kanina. We'll see. Sabi ni Daddy Mike dito kasi bumili sila ng frozen yogurt. Tapos, meron daw Christmas tree doon. Yeah. So, it was good. It's good to have a catch up with my bestie again. And, yeah, we don't know kung kailan ulit, diba? Ah, baka nandito sila. Kasi malapit daw sa Christmas tree na malaki. Asan kaya yung dalawa? For sure, nagpapaaraw yung dalawa.
He was determined to become.
What is that? Andito na naman kami ulit sa loob ng shops. Where are you going, Paris? You know what? It's good to see na parang balik normal na yung yung city. Ang dami ng tao. Ang dami ng tao. Before, nung pumunta kami dito, my lord, parang ghost town. We're going up to level 3 kasi magigising na to soon. And we gotta feed her with milk. Three. Paris, go. Imong buhok na, grabe ka gubot.
How's that, Santa?
Thank you.
Ayan, people. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Padidehan. Sa Emporium tayo. Kasi it is, anong oras na nga ba? Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung outfit natin of the day. So, I got this one from COS. Ayan. Nice one. COS ang brand niya, guys. Pero, okay siya. okay siya. Pinakita ko yan to siya sa vlog natin a couple of days ago. Pumunta kami ng okay. Ayan. Pero sobrang ganda ng brand niya. Branded pa more. Hindi siya halata, di ba? Ayan. Tapos, white sneakers. Anito lang, casual lang tayo, guys. Kasi nag-catch tayo ng train, di ba? Yung oras na nga ba? It's 3:40. Ayan. Hindi siya mag-focus. Basta 3:40, I'm telling you the truth. Dito siya. Kanina pa to siya nagdede nung nag-lunch kami doon sa Filipino na kainan. Tulog na tulog pa rin. So, I'll change her nappy kasi for sure puno na yung nappy na yan. And then we'll give her milk. At sobrang, alam niyo ba guys, sobrang busy ngayon sa city. Kasi, apart from my protesta guys kasi yung mga tao na ayaw nila magpa-vaccine ata. Yun ba yun? I think yun yung dahilan kung bakit sila nagpa-protesta ngayon. Kasi nga, dito sa Melbourne, hindi ka makakaalis, hindi ka makakapasok doon sa mga shops na ganun kapag wala kang certificate. Ganito. Service. Pag nag-check-in kang ganyan, anyways. Basta pag nag-check-in kang ganyan, may ipapakita yung certificate. Ayan, view certificate. Ayan, Ayan, yes, darling.
Can I go rewatch this playing again?
Huh?
Can I still rewatch this playing again?
Just like her.
She wants to play it again, that's the problem.
Oh, she's playing. Just come back straight away. She's not awake yet, anyways. Tingnan niyo.
Find that carrot. Find the chicken stuff. Hey, Mom, come. Come, Mom.
Hang on, I'm minding Celine.
I'm showing you something.
Okay?
Find the cheese.
So, yun na nga yung sabi ko, guys. Hindi makakaalis. Hindi makapasok sa mga shops kapag wala kang double vaccination na certificate. Oh, well done, anak. So, yung mga tao na ayaw magpa-vaccine ganun. So, kumukontra sila, nagpo-protesta sila. Sobrang dami. Nakita niyo naman kanina, di ba? Sobrang dami talaga ng tao, guys. Mabuti pa, pumasok ka sa shop, doon ka maglakad kung saan ka pupunta. Kasi sa labas ka ng shops. Sa labas ng shops, sobrang daming tao. Yes, anak. I can see you, honey. I can see you. What's that? Fireworks? Black Friday sale din ngayon. Kaya sobrang daming tao magsha-shopping din kasi sale. Sana all shopping. Sana all shopping. Tulog na tulog pa rin ang ating baby girl ba? Maganda dito guys. Especially gustong gusto ko dito sa Emporium kasi bago yung building. Tapos yung malaki yung space dito. Maganda pa yung upuan mo, padede ka. Tapos pwede kang mag-charge dyan. Cellphone mo. Tapos dyan, meron pang sosyalan na ganyan, Alam niyo yung ilalagay lang dyan sa ibabaw yung phone. Tapos mag-charge na siya in case wala kang charger na dala. At ito, ang ating burn house. Nagbili din ako ng yung paa ng manok. Yung talaga, yung feet talaga, hindi yung leg. Yung feet talaga na per a la carte. Tapos fishbowl. Yes. Okay. Ayan. Tingnan daddy. Bihisan ko to para magising kasi kailangan na nitong mag-idi. Hey, ikaw is big girl ni mama. Ay, ikaw is big girl ka. Ay, sa mama, Naunsa naman may headband na. Nagtakilig mo na. Tapos may camera pang ganyan, in case. Kita-kita ko sa tipares ka, sa mic. Just change na nappy ang my love. Woohoo! Hi, anak! Bagong gising. Bagong gising ang baby. It's not to imong hair na. Shush! Mara mag-albularya na. Mara mag-albularya na. She knows it's Didi time. Yung Didi ko din guys, sobrang pasabog na siya. Sumakit na siya. Sumasakit na siya, anak. You need to Didi na. It's really beautiful kid, mama. I love you, Celine. Celine ni mama. I love you, anak. Tingnan niyo, kilaki na ng baby, Ito na lang natin i-change yung kanya nappy, so hindi na natin kailangan alas. Easy lang naman. You have punch Cruella? Where's your headband? You have to fix your hair na. Tanawa, imong buhok sa samin.
I'm gonna punch Cruella first. And then finish punching Cruella, and I'll come back and put my hand pen on, okay?
Okay, go with daddy ka. Daddy's there now.
No,
Come on.
Mom, I'm just going to
Ito ay hindi pa tapos.
by the witch.
Didi pa more pa to. And she spit out all over mama. Celine? Celine? Ayan. Tingnan niyo ang Buddha, oh. Buddha, tabiya po paribayak. Tabiya po paribayak. Change natin ng damit. Kaya nakapupo. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo ang mama, oh. Ay, good luck, inahan. Good luck, inahan. Anay pa more. What's it now?
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
I'll be bigger. I'm bigger now.
Yeah, and you have to eat and drink.
No, I'm bigger now.
Baby. Yes, yeah. How about you?
Let's get already.
Oh, yeah.
I want to drink. I want
You're
to drink.
bigger. But, yeah. Ay, shush, nabihisa na ang baby, oh. Naka-blue. Ay.
No, not spicy.
Not spicy, of course. It's water, anak. Come on, drink more. So you grab bigger. Where are we gonna go now? Yeah, could have.
She's talking about it even more now.
30%. Oh.
Hey!
Ah,
Mommy
tilagin.
A few moments later.
Mommy's right here. Bye.
Dito kami ngayon sa office si Daddy. Ayan.
Go sit down.
Kinuha lang namin yung bags niya. Bag lang pala kasi isa lang. Dapat sana kasi after lunch kanina mag-gym siya. So hindi natuloy, naglakad-lakad kami. Kaya uwi siya ng luhaan.
My desk. My desk was probably like always one of these ones, but I probably told you it was that one to make myself look more important when you first come in. Do you want to show your viewers where it all started?
Well, we did already.
I'll show it. It's just over there.
We've been here before.
Just over there. Right in that corner there.
Yeah, true. I remember that.
Where Mama got. Where Mama handed her pearl to Daddy.
Daming destiny. Ganda.
This is where Mummy's.
Paris, Tiko. Show Tita and Tita what you're
This is
eating.
where Paris was made.
No.
This is where she became. This is where she became a reality. This is
This
where.
one needs a baby.
This is where the option of children came about.
I want to see the game.
Yeah, we'll take Mummy up there.
What game?
She wants to show you the games there.
Answer the phone up. Get away. Hello? Dakpon jud ta.
Like, I can't reach.
You can reach nak. Just go on that side. Go on this side.
This is where Mama...
Hello?
Santa's calling you.
Talk to Santa. Talk to Santa.
I want the other treasure chest, please. I want to have it, please.
I'd like that. Okay?
Put the phone on your ears.
Talk to Santa.
Santa, I want to have it there in the treasure chest.
And?
Off my head. He's gonna take it soon.
Okay.
Okay, let's go play games.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
La 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 la. Which game?
Double dance.
Ah, yeah. In the kitchen?
Yes. Come on, I'll show you.
Ooh.
Come on. That's what they did.
This is where Daddy was salty.
Come on, nak. Show me, nak.
Oh, there's a cable for this. I don't want it.
How did you know, Paris? You're not working here.
No, I'm playing games.
Bark. Huh?
I keep it every day, Bob.
Shut up, Daddy.
I swear to God I do.
Where did you keep it?
Huh?
Where did you keep it?
On my desk.
Tingnan niyo guys, regalo ko kay Daddy Mike when he turned 34. Oh, Shanna Al. Very thoughtful, Daddy. Don't you think I'm very thoughtful when I did that?
What about me for keeping it?
Yeah.
Come.
The games room. The games room's here.
Oh, it's right here. It's here, right here. It's here.
Oh, what do you want to join in?
Come on. Mama, Santa all.
Sana all.
Senator.
What'd you say now?
Senator.
A senator. Wait, we're going here. Wait. Toko.
I said
Quick. Da. This is how
Enjoy this honey because we're
unicorn.
going to the Gold Coast soon, so no more Melbourne.
why you got a new button?
That's me.
See? Who's that?
Daddy.
He looks like you.
It looks like it.
That's because it is me.
It's really dark. And now
Because it's Daddy's.
So,
Daddy's face now. Here.
come on.
It's so dark. Uy. Hello, Melbourne. Hello, Melbourne.
let's play.
Do you know how to play?
Yeah.
Sure.
My own
Ano makag-correct na ko eh.
There's your doesn't go. Because it's there.
Pass me the ball.
It's moving. Where is Celine going? Where is Celine going? Chicky bum.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's nearly 10 o'clock ng gabi. Nandito kami sa floor. Kami lahat.
I'm watching the.
Ano yung watching? Tignan nyo ang aking lips ay sobrang ano. Kumain kasi kami ng popcorn. So yung lipstick natin ay parang na bura ba? Ayan. So si Daddy Mike ay nanonood ng Selling Sunset. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog na. And ito papatulugin ko na to siya sa sunod. Bulingit kayo, kailangan ko pa to siyang bihisan. So good, you know, catching up with my bestie. And also, hindi lang masyado talagang enjoyable yung city today dahil sa protesta na maraming tao. Hindi ka nakakalakad-lakad ng free. But, anak, mama is videoing na. But a little bit, we just wanna say bye-bye to Tita and Tito. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to begin and begin.
Hello, bye.
See ya.
Mwah. Mwah.